Replacing a node. To replace a node, first start by logging into the portal located at portal.r9technology.com. At the dashboard, navigate to the top right corner of the browser and select Configuration. If there are more than one location or multiple gateways, ensure the appropriate location and gateway are highlighted. Identify the desired node to be replaced and select the three dots next to it. Enter in the required information located on the product label as shown. Select the Replace button. The node is now replaced as seen by the on-screen confirmation. This completes the node replacement procedure. Note: when a node is replaced, its configuration file will be ported to the replacement node. Install the replacement node in the desired location. Verify the node is unpaired by quickly pressing the pairing button. Use any small tool to do so. The LED should display a red flash. If this occurs, no other actions are required. If the LED flashes green, the pairing memory of the node must be cleared. To clear the pairing of the node, depress the pairing button for 5 seconds. The LED should display a fast red-green flashing pattern after release. To confirm the node is now unpaired, quick press the pairing button and the LED should display a red flash. The node will now automatically pair to the gateway. For a more detailed description of the process, please view the online portal user guide, which can be located at www.r9technology.com.